Assalamu alaikum. This video is how to make half double crochet. So I have made this chain. These are all chain, just a simple chain. Because without this chain you cannot make anything. So I have made these chain, just random chains, just to teach you how to make a half double crochet. And now I have to turn, so I have to make extra two chains, like 1 and 2. So now I'll turn, see, so twist the wool and make here, leave the 2 chains like this, 1 and 2, into the third one, make like this here. Now there are 3 loops here, so you will bring the thread from that and you will drop all 3 together. 1 and 3. So you will drop all 3 loops like this. Again you will twist the wool like this and make the next chain like this here. Again there are 3 loops. You will drop the 3 together like this. Again you will twist the thread like this and make the third chain. Here these are 3 loops, so you will drop the 3 loops together like this. Like this. See, become like this. This is called half double crochet. You'll have to make in all chains this half double crochet. This is a bit bigger than single crochet and a little bit smaller than double crochet, and this is called half double crochet. You will have to make until the end. Keep doing like this. You can make any design on top of this, or you can use anywhere you want. Because when you make single crochet, you will just make the chain like this, like this. This is single crochet. Oh, this is single crochet, yes. And if you are making double crochet, then you will do it like this. Go into the chain, come back and make the drop 2 and then again drop 2. No, but for that half double crochet you will have to drop 3 of them together like this. See, so this is called half double crochet. It's bigger than single crochet, smaller than double crochet, and this is half double crochet. I hope you will like my video. Please subscribe, share, follow and like. Thank you.